welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make moimoi with red palm oil. So over here I have my beans. It has already been washed and it has already been soaked as well. I'm just going to start blending it now. As you can see, I'm already adding it into my blender. So after adding the beans into my blender, I'm going to add in some water to the level of the beans, then cover and start blending. I have a video on how to wash your beans for moimoi or akara. You can check it out in the description box below. So now my beans is well smooth. I'm just going to transfer it into this bowl. Then after transferring it into my bowl, I'm just going to add another set of beans into my blender and continue blending my beans. Then add in some water. Cover and start blending just like the other one. And now the beans is well smooth. I'll also add it into the one I blended before. Then continue blending my beans just like that. So here is the last one. I just add in my onion, my pepper and everything. I'm just going to blend this now. Then add into my beans. Then we can continue making the moimoi. It's well smooth now. I just add it into my blended beans. I'm going to whisk it. So here is my blended beans. I just add in some crayfish. And I'm going to start mixing it now. So over here I have some fresh fish. I just cut it into tiny sizes. I'm going to be adding this into my moimoi while tying it. I have my red palm oil. Like I said earlier, I'm going to use palm oil for this moimoi. So here is the red palm oil. I have 7 seasoning cubes and some salt. Yeah, so first I'm going to just give it a quick stir. Then after that, I'm going to add in my salt and seasoning cubes, the one I showed earlier. I'm also going to mix that to it. So now I'm going to add in my red palm oil. First, I'm going to mix it with 2.5 spoons. If that is not enough, then I'll add more. So I think the oil is enough. I'm not done mixing it yet. I'm going to add in some hot water to it now, about 3 spoons of that. Then I'll continue mixing it. I'm going to add more hot water. And here is after mixing my moimoi. So what I'm going to do next now is to start tying it. And here I have my nylon. Because I'm alone in the kitchen, so I have to use my cup to help myself. I just bring out my cup, I place my nylon inside it, open it, then I'm going to add in 3 spoons of the moimoi I just finished mixing. Then after that, I'll add in 1 fish. I'm just going to tie it now. You can see how I'm tying it. If you are alone at home, you don't have anyone to help you to hold your nylon, maybe you are making moimoi, you can also use this method. You can place your nylon inside a cup, then add your moimoi to it, remove it after adding it, then tie it. It's very easy and it also helps a lot. So I will just continue just like the first one. I'll also tie it just like the other one. So this one, I'm going to add the fish first. After adding the fish, before I add the moimoi. So that's it, guys. Here is after tying all the moimoi, as you can see. I already have some water on the gas. So what I'm going to do now is to allow the water to boil, then start adding my moimoi to it. So now that the water is boiled, I'm just going to start adding my moimoi now. I'll add it one after the other. So these ones are okay. I'm just going to cover it and start cooking. While that is cooking, here is the remaining one, just 4 of them. I'm going to use small pot to cook that. After about 30 minutes, now I'm going to check my moimoi. I normally cook my moimoi for 1 hour so that it will be well cooked. So I'm just going to turn the moimoi over now. I'm going to remove all of them. I will take the up one to the down, then the down ones to the up, so that it will be well cooked. So here is after doing it. Here is after turning it. I will just cover it back and allow to cook for extra 30 minutes, so that it will make it 1 hour. So here, after 1 hour, my moimoi is well cooked. I'm just going to remove everything now. So I started cooking the remaining 4 here. I later added one from the pot to this one. So now that I'm done cooking the other one, I'll just transfer them into the bigger pot, then continue cooking it here. So here is after cooking my moimoi, guys. It's super easy and delicious. I think I even prefer the moimoi that is made with. I think I even prefer this moimoi more than the groundnut oil one. So guys, if you want to try this, you can try it and let me know how you think about it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment.